Like coming up, only somebody said there's a dog. I was like, shit. There is once, but I don't want to say. I'll tell you later. I'll tell you one thing also later. I'm really glad कि मेरा वैसे हो गया. So, what was your question? I forgot.
When I was 19, I was chilling, bro. Like, I was probably wasting my life. I was chilling. God knows what I was doing.
Every single day, you sound like Ananya Pandey. And that would be so cool.
Bro, in the last 4 years, you all have never run ads.
Right now, I don't have money in my GPay account. I was like, I'm going all in. I made that very clear. And I went. And then one reel, फट गया. What I've done is basically, अगर मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है, I will make sure.
You actually sound like Ananya Pandey, bro.
That's it.
So guys, welcome to another episode of Anything But Wrong. Today we have an exceptional founder with us. Her name is Tisha Jain. She's the founder of Dazzleish. She started this brand only when she was 19 years old, and it's almost 4 years since the brand has been running, correct? So Tisha, welcome to the show. Welcome
Thank
to
you.
our page.
Thank you.
Tisha, let's begin with how you started this brand and what was the idea behind Dazzleish. Okay, first, let's tell the audience what is Dazzleish. What is Dazzleish for you and how did you start this brand?
Okay, so Dazzleish is basically a jewelry brand for all the Gen Z. And so we basically make Pinterest-inspired jewelry because girls are literally into, if they're going out, they'll check Pinterest. So what we really look into is what is, in trend on Pinterest. And then that's how we design our products.
Right.
Yeah, so it's mainly Pinterest-inspired jewelry, you can say.
But is it only women?
No, it's unisex, but currently we're focusing more on women.
Correct.
Yeah.
Fair. So do you guys design and manufacture your own jewelry or do you guys source it?
So it's both, mixture of both. We have karigars, we have our production, like it's basically outsourcing sort of a thing, and we also source from vendors. So these are
all artificial jewelry.
Yeah.
Right.
Tarnish resistant, hypoallergenic, all that sorts.
Great, crazy. So, but Tisha, how did you start at the age of 19? Like 19 is too young for anyone to start anything. When I was 19, I was chilling, bro. Like I was probably wasting my life. I was chilling. God knows what I was doing. How did you start at the age of 19?
Honestly, even if I look back, if I was 19, like in normal days, I would be chilling too. But I was 19 when it was COVID.
Right.
So 2 years, 1 or 2 years, we were in complete lockdown, just at our home, getting super bored. So I was like, and I was very clear from like very beginning that I want to have something of my own. I was very clear. I was very underconfident, to be honest. But I had that, I want to do something. Kaise karenge pata nahi. But we'll figure it out.
Awesome.
So I was really bored. And I was that quiet, shant bachchi jo, like if my mom, dad says you have to be at home, I'll be at home, right? My friends and my sisters and like my cousins, they used to fight and like, no, I want to go down. I was like, okay, fine, I'll chill at home, whatever. So I was like, I'm getting super bored. Let's do something. So I was like, my dadi and my bhua, back when she used to live here. So they were really creative, okay? So they had these beads. So my dadi was actually going to donate that. And then one day, my dadi said, let's just make a bracelet. So I was like, okay, fine, I'm getting bored. Let's just make it. And then we made, and I was like, yeah, this is fun. Then I made another beaded choker. And then that's how it started.
But then, okay, that's how it started. Fair. But then, वो तो आप अपने लिए बना रहे थे. How did it reach the audience? That कोई ऐसा product जो लोगों ने देख के बोला, oh wow, this is something we also want. Can you make this for us also? That is how you started the brand का idea?
So I saw on internet, as I mentioned, we're Pinterest-inspired brand. So मैं Pinterest बहुत scroll करती थी. I saw this picture. I was like, wait, my dadi has all these beads. My dadi and my brother are very, very creative. Okay, so they have all these beads. So मैंने बोला, चल, let's make something. I sent it to my sister and she said, bro, let's just start jewelry brand. It was that simple.
That random,
that simple. And then I was like, I am an overthinker. I'm very underconfident. I was like, theek hai, she's there. She pushed me a lot. And I was like, okay, let's do it. Kya hi hoga? We're anyways in lockdown. We don't have to face anyone. So there's no shyness as such. Kisi ko milke and they won't be like laughing at you, whatever. It's like, okay, let's start. And that's how we made an Instagram page. Basic, very basic.
Okay, so
yeah.
Tell me, I'm very curious. मेरे को ना in depth जानना है कैसा आपका वो start था अपने Instagram, because see why I'm asking this and why I want people to know about this is a lot of people want to do a lot of things.
Yeah.
They start it also, but आपको start करते के साथ कितना भी आपका काम अच्छा है वो traction आपको नहीं मिलने वाला है what you expect, ठीक है, वो नहीं होता है, and then people shut their businesses. they don't stay consistent on that, on what they're doing, trying to get what they want. They think कि आज मैंने डाल दिया, I'll already get what I want. That is not how things work. So I want to know from you कि आपने अपना Instagram page बनाया, you started posting about your jewelry. आपको orders आना चालू हो गए directly?
So see, in the beginning, it's always your friends and family.
Correct, always.
First month, it's always good. ठीक है. उसके बाद is the real challenge.
Exactly.
Right? So since हमने नया start किया था and it was already in trend, Y2K was really in, and at that point when we started in 2020, online business was just taking off, right? Instagram business also for that matter. So we started with just building a page, and since like I'm a Gen Z, so I know how to, you know, do the basics of Instagram. So by basic Instagram, we started with a page, posted stories, sent everybody, all our friends, family, both of us, we shared ki this is our page, post it on your story. We promoted like that. And then we got one order, we got two from our friends and family, and then later on we started posting reels consistently. And then उसके बाद धीरे 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 sales stop हो गया था.
क्यों?
क्योंकि बस हो गया, like people were
Saturate हो गए.
हाँ, and we were not growing that much. वो हो गया, मैंने बताया ना, in the beginning if your product is good, people will buy. But कितना buy करेंगे? Right?
Same चीज बाहर कहीं ना लाए.
Right? And we also had very limited resources, right? Because COVID, we can't go and outsource. And this was with zero investment we started.
That is the best.
Yeah. This is very rare case also. I mean, I'm very lucky कि मुझे उस I did it zero investment से, because
Correct. You could do it, yeah.
Yeah, I could do that really, because I know people. In fact, for me, if I would have taken an investment, मेरे पे बहुत stress रहता. I'm that kind of a person. So I'm really glad कि मेरा वैसे हो गया. So, what was your question? I forgot.
अरे कि जैसे ही आपने Instagram पे पोस्टिंग चालू की, आपको तुरंत ऑर्डर्स नहीं आए. आपने अभी जैसे मेंशन किया कि आपका एक टाइम पे सेल्स रुक गया था.
Yeah.
So I want to understand क्यों सेल्स रुक गया. People saturate हो गए. वो मेरे को एक समझता है कि यस आपने इवॉल्व नहीं किया. People saturate हो गए. तो वहाँ पे आपका सेल्स ड्रॉप हो गया. वहाँ से रिवाइव कैसे किया फिर आपने?
Okay. So, honestly, हमारे पास इन्वेंट्री कम थी, तो हम जितना बना सकते थे, जितना नया कर सकते थे, we did that. After that, मतलब बहुत later, like few months later, we were like, let's go out, let's get something. We did not. Our bua, again, she got the raw materials for us. I mean, she has been a blessing for me, honestly. But yeah, so she got for us, and we started again with that. She also helped us making products. She was like our jewelry designer, to be very honest. So she did that. She helped us a lot. फिर again, we started started getting sales, but it was very limited, 5,000 a month sales, 5,000, 10,000 sales a month. ऐसा हो रहा था. फिर उसके बाद it was not going great, and I was okay because I was in college. That was fine. ठीक है, जैसा हो रहा है, side business है, होने दो. उसके बाद after my college, I was like, this is it. I am doing this. I made my final call कि यही होने वाला है. Let's go all in. And there is always a way. If you want to do something by hook or by crook, you'll have to do, and you can do it. It's very simple.
Of course,
okay.
Of course.
So I was like, let's do it. So then I used to, I just kept going on posting reels. जितना creative हो सकती थी, I was like, I'm going all in. I made that very clear, and I went. And then one reel फट गया. 100K, 300K followers गया. उसके बाद again I posted a reel, 1 million, 2 million, and that's how we got it sales.
It all
That
takes
took
that
2
one,
years.
2
That
reels.
took 2 years.
Correct. But
yeah.
in those 2 years, all it takes is that one reel to
reel
blow up.
to blow
right. All it takes
Yeah.
is that one reel.
One reel, and then keep making that reel.
Correct.
It's all good.
Correct. You understand what's working for you. You go double down on that.
Yeah.
Crazy, yaar. Like that's very, very, very interesting. So I've heard that you have a family background in jewelry only. Do you?
No, I don't have a jewelry background. I told you my dadi and my buas were really creative in their own space. Matlab, they were not having a business, just for their own passion and fun. They used to make beaded, they used to stitch beads on their saris or like lehengas or something that sort. So they used to do that back in their young time.
Okay.
So that's what
passion said.
Yeah.
You all converted
Yeah.
the passion, this
Yeah.
thing into a business.
Yeah.
Crazy. I thought you all already had a jewelry business, जिसको आपने इस type के business में convert किया है अभी.
No. I mean, subconsciously मैंने वो उनकी creativity में भी ले ली होगी.
Of course. It's in the family, so of course. तो आपने Dazzleish को चालू किया 3 years ago. In the last 4 years, you all have gained above 20,000 followers, all organic. And you all have maintained that community also. How was that? Like how getting followers is easy because आपने again एक दो reel आपका blow up हो गया, आपको follower उस time आ जाता है. To maintain that is difficult. because people keep leaving. How did you maintain that community of yours, and how are you still, like, you know, keeping up with the community of yours?
Honestly, keeping up is the most challenging part, to be very honest. What I've done is basically, अगर मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है, I will make sure monthly I post few reels. I mean, the main thing for me is to make reels engaging banao, and then the audience will stay. That's it.
Consistency
Yeah,
is the biggest key.
consistency. Yeah,
I
consistency.
think
हो गया तो
most
हो
of
गया.
my guests have mentioned that you have to be consistent. You have to post every day, every second day.
Yeah, not every day, but like consistency is different for everybody.
Correct. It could be
For
3 times a
yeah,
week
3
also.
times a week. It could be 1 time a week, but then maintain that consistency.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. But I want to ask, for someone who's beginning, isn't 1 time a week very slow for them?
It is, of course, it is very slow. What you can do is at least 2 reels a week. Because when you're starting, you are very passionate ki start kar rahe ho. But then again, 3rd month, you will be like, bas ab main bore ho gayi hu. If you don't have that, you know, energy.
Correct. And if you're not even getting what you've expected, automatically
exactly.
your
वो
motivation
your
decrease.
motivation goes down. Then what's the point?
100%.
So build that.
100%.
10 से 20, 30 वैसे करो. Yeah.
चलो फिर यही क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा और डीप डाउन करते हैं कि lot of young people, lot of young founders, like they really struggle with consistency. They really struggle. आज आप किसी को बैठाओ 20-year-old, 22-year-old, 24-year-old, they are so passionate about that one topic. Okay, you ask them to start a business out of it. Within a month, when they don't see the desired results, they shut the business. Or business छोड़ो, even if it is content creation, they'll post 3 reels. They think reel फटा क्यों नहीं, reel पे million views क्यों नहीं है, अब हम reel डालना बंद कर देंगे. They are really struggling with consistency. आप मेरे को 2 या 3 ऐसे टिप्स बता दो जो उनको उनके दिमाग में रखना चाहिए while being patient, कि हाँ भाई ये होगा, it's okay. ऐसा 2-3 टॉपिक जो आपने किया हुआ है to, you know, keep up the consistency even when the sales had stopped, even when you feel the audience have been saturated, but still you were consistent. What should one do to remain consistent?
What I think is, people think कि reels फटता है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. It takes a lot of time. It took me 2 years for one reel to blow up. 2 साल तक मैं सिर्फ 1000 some followers पे अटकी पड़ी थी. I could have shut it. It was so easy, but I did not because I made it very clear. I want to do this. That's it. Business बढ़ता है. That's what I went ahead with. Same in content creation. Content creation का जो, like, the business, the industry is right now booming. So a lot of people are coming right now. So obviously it's not कि you put the 3rd reel and it'll blow up. It's not going to happen that way. You have to keep posting. You have to see what is working for you, what is not working for you. And then, you know, just look at whatever your niche is, look into other people's content. Try to, you know, make that. Don't copy, but get inspired. Or वैसे कुछ content बनाओ. And I'm sure, not today, but someday it will blow up. And then that's when that one reel blows up, you'll get followers.
100%.
And
then it compounds.
Yeah,
then it compounds like crazy. Then it
because you
compounds.
have created, so I feel like your Instagram page is like your portfolio. You keep pushing content. For 1 year, you've pushed content. एक reel फटेगा, लोग आएंगे. If they like it, they'll scroll it down. And if you have really good quality content, they will go deep down and they'll look, and then they'll, you know, click that follow button. And that's what matters, right?
100%.
So it's not like
absolutely
कि
correct.
4 reel post किया, 10, 15, 20 reel post किया, वो one year is very less, but 1 month में 10, 15 reel post किया, it's not like waste हो गया. You are just building your portfolio. That's it. So keep going
वो
on.
later audience के लिए भी आपको कुछ होना तो चाहिए दिखाने के लिए. एक ही
reel,
post रहेगा तो they will not follow
And one
you.
more thing, if you're posting 3 reels and if you're thinking कि 3rd reel ना blow up होना चाहिए, blow up हो जाएगा. You'll get views, but people won't follow you. You only have 3 reels. Why will people follow you? It's great if people are doing, but the probability is very less.
And the people who follow you also, they won't stay with you on your profile. They don't have a reason to follow you. It's not that you are providing them something. You have to provide something to your customers or your followers on a regular basis. Even if you have a brand of your own, but you have to keep posting stories about discounts. You are following me, na? On my stories, you will get crazy discounts. At least they have a reason to keep following you. They have a reason to keep opening your story or keep engaging with your posts because they will get something in return. Just for an example. So Tisha, let's begin with the rapid fire round. I usually used to keep this section for the end, but in my last podcast, someone suggested that we should start putting this in the middle so that, like, you know, just makes the guest more comfortable. So let's start with the rapid fire round. As the name suggests, you have to be extremely rapid when the question has been asked, okay? So let's begin in 3, 2, 1. If Dazzleish was a person, how would you describe her?
It would be very Pinteresty, very creative, bubbly. Yeah.
Okay. What's one fashion trend you think is overrated?
Overrated, straight fit pants.
Yeah, I think, 100%. I'm also working on. I totally agree. Those are really overrated. Yeah, those are really overrated. 100%. What's your dream collab? Like, if any brand that you would want to collab with?
So there's this one brand, Indie Wild. They do really great products and community events. So that's what I want to do.
What type of a brand are they? What do they do?
They are skincare brands. So completely female audience. So that's something that
Lovely,
will, yeah.
lovely. What's your biggest competitor?
Biggest competitor.
Or not the biggest competitor, but one brand that you truly see as your competition? Or do you think I want to do better than this brand?
Honestly, I don't want to take my competitor's name, but I don't want them to get the attention. But
It's
what,
smart.
yeah, but what I really like, where I want to be is, Accessorize in India, London, but Accessorize. Yeah, that's where we want to be at.
Correct. Fair.
Very big, but yeah,
Very
we
big,
will.
of course, but
We
yeah,
will surely be there. That's
of
something
course.
where we are not, so we want to be there.
100%. That's the vision you have to take with yourself also. Great. If you could send a message to the 19-year-old version of yourself on the launch day, what would you say?
On my launch day, to my 19-year-old self, I would say, please chill and breathe. It's all going to be okay and it's all going to fall into place.
And you are doing a great job starting at that age. You have to tell yourself that.
Great move
Yeah,
of starting at that point.
100%.
Yeah.
I can't agree more.
Yeah.
What's the weirdest order request you've ever received?
Weirdest order request? I don't know. I have really sweet customers. Nothing weird, but this is sweet. Like, they ask me for, hi, it's my birthday. Can you send me free product? When they order.
See, bro, that is weird only.
Okay,
That is quite weird. So, if you weren't running a jewelry brand, what would you be doing instead?
I would be running a clothing brand.
But
That's what I wanted to do when I was a kid.
You are in the fashion space only.
Yeah, I'm happy, but I'm still looking at clothing also.
Of course. Like, you could
10 years down the line.
add clothing to this only. Correct. Great. One celeb that you would love seeing wearing Dazzleish.
That has to be Ananya Pandey. Did you? Yeah, because I receive comments every single day. You sound like Ananya Pandey. And that would be so cool.
Bro, now that you mentioned, yeah, you actually do.
But it'd be so cool if Ananya Pandey wears Dazzleish jewelry. Don't you think?
Of course, 100%.
Yeah.
100%.
So I want Ananya Pandey. I also want Janhvi Kapoor. Hope so that happens.
Of course. Why not? Of course. I'm sure if they come across your page, they'll love the products. Definitely.
I love that.
A mantra that gets you through your tough days.
Everything is going to be okay. That's it.
100%.
That's it. I keep this 10-15 times a day. That's it. You should try this. It works.
I will definitely.
Yeah.
Your guilty pleasure, Instagram scroll, fashion inspo or dog reels?
Fashion inspo.
You're not into animal?
No.
Fair.
Like, coming up, only somebody said there's a dog. I was like, shit. I'm scared. Yeah.
There are 5 dogs here.
Shit.
There are 5.
Somebody told me, I was like,
there are 5 dogs here. Okay, that was a great rapid fire round, Tisha. Quick. But I still want to know of your indie competitor's name.
Competitor's name? There is one, but I don't want to say it. I'll tell you later. I'll tell you one thing also later.
Okay, definitely. I'm looking forward to that. Okay. So now we're done with the rapid fire. Let's come back to Dazzleish and how the growth happened, okay? One more crazy thing that I got to know was that y'all, in the last 4 years, y'all have never run ads. आज के टाइम पे कोई ब्रांड है ही नहीं जो विदाउट एड्स चल पा रहा है. वो ब्रांड चलेगा ही नहीं विदाउट एड्स आज के टाइम पे. Or that is wrong. I'm not supporting that. That is absolutely wrong. We as a brand for Rush Lines, we are also trying ki how do we start our sales without ads. We are also trying for that. But आज के टाइम पे कोई ब्रांड नहीं है जो विदाउट एड सेल्स कर पा रहा है. आप लोगों ने क्या सोच के एड्स नहीं चलाया? क्या उसका रीजन था? और विदाउट एड सेल्स कैसे हो रहा था? लाइक रील बूस्ट हो गया, इंस्टाग्राम पे ऑर्डर्स आ रहे, बट दैट इज लिमिटेड. अगर आप फिर भी एड्स नहीं रन कर रहे हो मतलब something good is going on for you. What is happening? Like how did that happen?
See, I'll tell you two things. First, what you said that आज के डेट पे ads के बिना चलाना it's impossible. I agree. And that's why we've started running ads now. 4 years later now, it's been 3 days we've started running. But before that, since we had limited budget, and when we were seeing, 2 साल तक तो मैं college में ही थी, तो it didn't matter. After that, my one reel went viral, and उसके बाद we were getting really great orders. Even I don't know how, because even I look at brands, they are struggling, okay? But I don't know how, because our reels were booming, and you won't believe there was this one reel that went 1 million-ish views. For a week straight, we were getting 100 orders each. A day. So
that too without ads. Bro, you have no idea how much people spend on ads a day to get 100 orders. A day. Like,
I know people who've just started and running crazy amount of ads. But I think differently. What I feel like is I wanted to build an organic brand first, like lay a foundation. I wanted to see ki this is something I can do. Is there any,
correct.
Like I wanted to see from my lens कि ये होगा या नहीं होगा, फिर हम इसमें कुछ invest करेंगे. I'm a मारवाड़ी, तो I'm very like that. तो I saw and then फिर मुझे ads at that point run करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, because back to back things were getting viral, products were getting viral. My one product went this viral कि वो 1 साल तक best selling product था.
क्या
it
था
was
उस
a
product?
bracelet. It was a Spider-Man inspired bracelet. And one more thing I want to tell you is, since we're talking this topic, whatever works in the West will come here.
Yeah.
And nobody was doing it at that time. So I was like, and one of my customers suggested this to me. He's like, you should do this. I was like, okay, let's see. So we got inspired by that and we made it, and it blew up like crazy. And matlab, since last year, it was that crazy. हमने बिना SEO करके हम Google पे आते थे वो product अगर search करते.
मतलब क्या ही चाहिए? That is the
Yeah.
best way of like running a brand, growing a brand. Nothing better than that. 100%.
And yeah, like back to back products only got viral, then reels got viral. So there was ऐसा कोई point नहीं आया था कि हमें ads की जरूरत है. तो इसीलिए, because I also had limited knowledge at that point. I was
Correct.
like,
You
जैसे चल
19
रहा,
year, 20-year-old.
I was at that point 20 or 21.
21.
when
But still
everything
very
happened.
young, bro. People are entering courses of learning how to run ads and all that. You already started a brand. So you are very young. You're learning. Fair enough.
Yeah, so then that happened. फिर आया saturation, obviously आता ही है when you हो गया product खत्म, नया कुछ नहीं लाया, तो आया saturation. फिर हम सोच रहे थे कि क्या करें. And then finally एक और product blew up, which is this initial necklace. And then now we're like, we want to grow. थोड़ा fast करना है. So now we've started running ads, and now we're testing only क्या कैसे, what will work out.
Right. But एक चीज मैंने आपके वेबसाइट पर नोटिस किया है, आप लोग के पास सर्टेन प्रोडक्ट्स है जो आप लोग 100-150 रुपीज का सेल कर रहे हो. तो आपको एड्स में वो कैसे बैठेगा? लाइक आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड.
Yeah, for that what we are doing is, हमने अभी अगर आप if you have seen, हमारा जो हमें AOV हमारा बढ़ाना है, ठीक है, because we're gonna run ads. So now if you see a new collection, उसके prices ज़्यादा है, because the quality is also nice. तो हम उसके लिए we are giving like high
एंड द
price.
ऑडियंस इज ओके.
Yeah, they're okay,
जो
because
पहले वो लोग सस्ता खरीद रहे थे अब वो लोग महंगा खरीद रहे हैं.
quality भी increase हो गया ना, and we were also trying only. तो फिर हमने सोचा चल let's try this out. हमें वो inventory निकालनी थी, हमने निकालने के लिए किया, इतना आया that we have to again make it. Yeah, and at that point we actually started COD. थोड़ी problem आई, but we were doing कि हमें RTO, मतलब we were not in loss at any point. तो that was like something कि ठीक है let's do it. फिर समझ आया कि we can't do this. This is very less. अगर हम ऑनलाइन बिजनेस चला रहे हैं, मैं शिपिंग को ज़्यादा पे कर रही हूँ. इफ COD होता है, मैं शिपिंग को ज़्यादा पे कर रही हूँ एंड मेरे को ज़्यादा नहीं आ रहा है. दैट्स व्हाट माई शिपिंग पार्टनर टोल्ड मी कि मैम व्हाट यू डूइंग, 100 रुपीज़ यू हैव टू इंक्रीज अगर आप COD कर रहे हो तो. सो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है करते कुछ. सो नाउ वी हैव क्लब्ड इट. मतलब यू विल गेट इट फॉर 100 ईच, बट आपको 300 पे करना पड़ेगा. तो हमें तो आ गया ना.
करेक्ट मेक्स सेंस. बट आपने क्या COD स्टार्टिंग से नहीं रखा था अपने ब्रांड में? And that was working well for you. I'm very curious about this one topic because
COD.
I'm trying कि अब जो when I'm done with my rebranding, we are launching this week only after rebranding, correct? I'm trying कि I'll not give COD because I want to cater to very limited audience that understands the product, the brand, the quality, and along with that we'll be making limited products. of every product. So अगर कोई चीज़ RTO में अटक गया है, कोई shipping में अटक गया है, someone who has ordered who doesn't respect the product, then that will take away the chance of someone who actually wants the product. So that is the reason why I want to remove COD. But at the same time, I want to understand how does that impact your business? Does it?
It does. We live in India. It does, obviously. So COD, how I started, I used to call my customers जो abandoned cart में होते थे. I was like, क्या हो रहा है? Problem क्या हो रहा है? So I called them. 3-4 people told me कि आपके पास COD नहीं है and we are comfortable with COD. Because my audience, they are kids, Gen Z, salary, stipend based people. तो उनके पास ऑनलाइन पेमेंट उतना फीजिबल नहीं होता है. सो आई अंडरस्टूड दैट. आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, लेट्स स्टार्ट इट. होगा थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट एंड COD इज अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट. इट्स वेरी ट्रिकी. ओके, द RTOs, confirm करना orders, it is, but there's a way also. So I was like, let's start it. And when we started, that's when we were getting 100 orders each. So war difficult हो गया, but good that it happened. And ever since we are like, COD is great for us.
And since, tell me something, without ads, you all are doing 100 orders a day.
That only happened
Okay, when it went viral.
एक वीक में हुआ था back to back, वो 1 million गया था. But again, following months also, it was good only. Not like कि 100 orders आ रहे दिन का. Not like that. It was doing really
Yeah,
great.
better than before.
Yeah,
That
definitely.
is
Yeah.
what matters.
Yeah.
Okay, as you mentioned right now, there are ways. COD is tricky, but there are ways. बताओ मेरे को.
So one more thing I want to add is COD के लिए I called my repeating customer कि अगर आपने पहले ही पे कर दिया है, मतलब first order was paid, तो अभी COD क्यों कर रहे हो? Because people usually Instagram business पे आते, reels पे आते and then they buy ना. तो she was like कि right now I don't have money in my GPay account. So that's you know when you talk to your customer you get to know कि oh ऐसा भी हो सकता है. So then that's what I realized कि it's not like कि COD, people trust के लिए, when you have COD, people automatically, customers will trust your brand. That's a thing. The second thing is that if they don't have online payment, which a lot of people, kids don't have, so then they can use COD. And coming to your question, the ways, what you can do is, अगर मेरा prepaid 50 है, for COD I charge 100.
Correct.
So the customer will pay 100 when they receive the product. They'll pay 100. तो अगर मेरा RTO suppose 5 products हो रहा है, out of 10, 5 is a lot. 2 products या 3 products RTO हो रहा है मेरा, तो मेरा cost cover anyway हो गया ना दूसरे customers के through.
Correct. Again, if it is 2 out of 10, it is not a problem at all. Of course, RTO is not a problem 2 out of 10. But अब इंडिया में इतने customers, इंडिया का एक तो population इतना है, it's so everything, people are free. There are so many people जो लोग को बस ad दिखा, COD ऑप्शन है, ऑर्डर प्लेस कर दो. हमको चाहिए नहीं चाहिए फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता, ऑर्डर प्लेस कर दिया उन्होंने.
Just for time pass.
Just for time pass. How do you tackle that? Because your customer acquisition cost खराब हो गया. अगले दिन आपके टीम का मेहनत खराब हो गया, जो लोग 3-3 बार पूरे दिन में उस कस्टमर को कॉल करने का ट्राई कर रहे हैं टू कंफर्म द ऑर्डर, टू कंफर्म द एड्रेस, उनका टाइम भी खराब हो रहा है. अलॉन्ग विद दैट आपका शिपिंग कॉस्ट भी खराब हो रहा है. तो हाउ डू यू टैकल दैट? बिकॉज उसको तो आप कैसे ही टैकल कर सकते हो. हाउ डू यू मेक पीपल स्टॉप ऑर्डरिंग if they don't want the product?
So I use ShipRocket.
Okay.
तो जब से मैंने वो, so there's an option ना वहाँ पे engage का option है. So what you do, and there's high RTO का भी option आता है. So when you ship now करते हो तो वहाँ पे आता है high RTO. They already have a lot of data.
Correct.
Right? तो if ऐसा हुआ है, so you don't ship there. If there's a high RTO rate, you don't ship there. Otherwise, they have a plan of Engage Plus. Do you know that?
Yes.
So if you do that, वो automatically confirm order cancel हो जाता है. अगर वो लोग time pass में कर रहे हैं, they can cancel the order. So that's what we are doing, and it's working for us so far.
But again, this comes down to your shipping का पैसा बचने के लिए. CAC का पैसा आप कैसे बचाओगे? For example,
when you're talking about ads, when we run ads.
Only when we run ads, आपने 1,000 rupees आज spend किया to get 5 customers. Okay? So your CAC was 200 rupees. ठीक है? But अब वो 200 करके समझो उसमें से सिर्फ 2 ही लोग का ऑर्डर एक्चुअली एग्जीक्यूट हुआ और 3 लोग का तो खाली बस ऑर्डर आया था. तो आपका तब CAC हो गया 500 रुपीज. एक्चुअली अगर आप कैलकुलेट करो तो 1000 रुपए में आपने 2 ऑर्डर बेचा तो आपका CAC 200 से सीधा 500 चला गया. जितना लोगों का मार्जिन होता उतना तो आपका CAC की इंक्रीज हो गया. और वो हो ही रहा है, सब ब्रांड्स के साथ वही हो रहा है. 100 आपका परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटर दिखा देता है, ओसी आई गॉट यू 100 ऑर्डर्स टुडे, बट उसमें से कन्वर्ट तो सिर्फ 30 हुआ. तो आपने बहुत पैसा बर्न किया, बहुत ज्यादा टू गेट दैट 100 ऑर्डर्स, और वो 30 ऑर्डर्स में भी आपने कुछ नहीं कमाया. हाउ डू यू टैकल दैट? I know it's a difficult question. Everyone's figuring that out.
No, because we've just started. It's been 3 days. So, but what we are doing right now, because I know ki Meta takes a lot of money, honestly, and this is very, very burning thing to do. But what we are planning is कि हमारे पास already 20,000 followers है, and we already have a lot of traction on our reels. So what we are doing is we are retargeting. और हम वैसे मतलब retargeting basis पे कर रहे हैं, तो हम तो बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं but they don't buy. तो हम वही करके initial phases में हम वैसे करके try कर रहे हैं. Let's see, try करते क्या होता है. तो retargeting में इतना problem आता नहीं है because they already know us, right?
Correct. वो बार-बार आप उनको push कर रहे हो.
push कर रहे हैं. So that's something that we are trying right now.
And are you trying to be the face of your brand also?
100%.
100%.
I'm there on every reel.
Yeah. So yeah, personal branding is very important, correct? Now tell me, how do you balance personal branding as well as running a brand? Those are two very different things. How do you balance that? Because I'm also trying personal branding को भी अब grow करने का along with the brand. How do you balance
In
it?
the sense you're talking about my personal page or on Dazzlish only?
Anywhere, your face value matters. आज Jaywalking का अगर आप personal page देखते हो, it's with 300-400 followers, private account. But अगर आप Jaywalking का page जब देखते हो,
The founder page.
the brand's page, not the founders. The founders page has 300 followers, private account.
Yeah.
But the brand's page, everyone knows his face. Everyone knows what Jay Jalal looks like, like face value बहुत ज़्यादा है. Any personal branding can be anywhere, on your personal account, or on your brand's page. But how do you balance it? कि ज़्यादा ये नहीं होना चाहिए, ज़्यादा ये नहीं होना चाहिए, एक लेवल पे होना चाहिए, दोनों को aesthetically same रखना है. कैसे करते हैं वो?
Honestly, I'm figuring out. That's all I can say. I'm really figuring out.
There's nothing wrong in that also. That's good only.
Everybody is figuring out. क्योंकि sometimes what I've heard and what I've noticed is कि founder content बहुत चल रहा है. So you have to push that. And then on the other hand, you also have to push your product, your aesthetics, your UGC content, because UGC content भी बहुत चल रहा है. So the balance is still figuring out sort of a situation.
Correct. And also, I heard you've just opened your own office. Crazy. अब मेरे को बताओ, आप लोगों ने ऑफिस को चालू किया कितना टाइम हुआ है?
It's been Jan, so 5 months.
5 months. Do you have a team of your own also?
Yeah, it's a very small team.
How big though?
3
people, still not bad, yaar. 3 people to start your team. We also started with just 3 people. When we were starting the brand, we were also just 3 of us who started the brand. That's crazy.
Freelancers more. I believe in when you are starting, when you have low budgets, freelancing is something that is the best.
Correct. You are not fixating on a cost.
Yeah,
on a monthly
and you
cost.
get a lot of new ideas, new brain. So that is something that I truly believe in.
Right. Agreed. So tell me this journey of starting your own office. Like, पहले you told me you were very shy to even start your own brand. फिर वो brand चला, आपने traction देखा. From there to starting your own office, crazy feeling, I'm sure, crazy feeling. But how was that journey for you?
While opening the office, while taking that decision only ki, let's do this. Because you've hit like a good number and we were like ki, now what's next? To grow you can't do at your home. Creativity बंद हो जाता है. मतलब you get that block, creative block आता है. So we were like, we need that space. We need a different, an office जहाँ पे हमारा inventory हो, सब कुछ everything हो. So because I started from home, तो मेरे लिए वो था कि मुझे ऐसे करना है. So then I was like, let's do this. Obviously, I was very scared. Rent होगा. मैंने कभी rent नहीं पे किया अपने life में. नहीं कभी देखा है rent pay करते हुए. So there was going to be rent. There is going to be electricity bill. All these, I have to do it on my own. It was scary as hell. But I was like, what else? अभी क्या कर सकते हैं? Just like how I thought about opening my brand, I was like, let's do it. I sound very chill, but at that point, I was like, should I not? But my parents were really supportive and they were like, if you feel like, they've also seen me grown, right? So they were like, yeah, go for it. They were really supportive. And then I was like, okay, let's do it.
That's really required, to be honest. So parents का support is really required because I know so many people जिनके parents बोलते थे नहीं ये नहीं हो पाएगा मत करो. ये बहुत लोग ने try किया नहीं हो पाएगा मत करो. भले ही तुम अपने बच्चे को जज करो नहीं करो, बट वो बिजनेस को तुम जज कर लेते हो कि बहुत लोगों ने ट्राई किया है, बहुत टाइम लगता है, बहुत पैसा लगता है, नहीं हो पाएगा.
एंड वो करके आपके बच्चे में वो कॉन्फिडेंस ही लूज करवा रहे हो आप खुद ही एज अ पेरेंट. Yeah, but I'm very lucky in terms of my family. My mom, dad are super supportive. My dad is very, very supportive.
Lovely. That's lovely.
And
to
he's always like motivated me, like do it. Even though like he's not sure कि मैं कर पाऊंगी या नहीं, but I don't know, he has this blind faith in me.
ट्राई नहीं करेंगे तब तक पता ही कैसे
I
चलेगा.
don't know, he has this weird faith. मुझे खुद को believe नहीं होता. He's like, no, go for it. And like when he says that I'm proud of you, like when I was, so he's an interior designer. So he was renovating my office, right? So he was like, he just came randomly and he said, Tisha, you know what? मैं अपने vendors वगैरह को बोलता हूँ बेटी के office के लिए. I feel so proud. I was like, what the hell? This is what I wanted from my dad. I'm getting it. So I was like,
Right, you actually sound like Ananya Pandey, bro. Now I can't stop, I just can't take it out of my head. But yeah, you actually sound like Ananya Pandey. Anyway, sorry. So, okay, yeah, please continue. I'm sorry to interrupt, but yeah, please continue about the whole office experience.
yeah. So that happened, and then we just opened it then.
Crazy. And after opening, first month, everything was profitable since then.
Yeah, we have been profitable only.
कि जो भी आपका fixed cost है वो तो हम निकाल ही पा रहे हैं. Like, great,
Fixed
यार.
cost तो हम निकाल
That's
ही पा
great. That is very good. Honestly, very impressive also.
But उसके बाद honestly डर तो अभी भी लगता है. I just
लगना
want
भी
कि
चाहिए.
हाँ मतलब
लगना भी
I'm
चाहिए.
not
It's
overconfident at all. There is
That
nothing to be
fear is
overconfident
very good.
in,
That
but
fear is very good.
yeah,
I'm sure, bro, MNCs also have that fear of losing everything overnight.
of
That
course.
fear is very good.
Anybody can lose. But I always believe that social media can make you or break you. But I always focus on make you. Break you के लिए it's
हम
very
ऐसा काम ही नहीं करते कि हम
very
break
rare,
you
but
है.
make you is something, and you should believe in yourself. That is it. Believe in yourself.
100%. So you mentioned that you follow all your trends from Pinterest and you are a very Pinteresty brand, correct? But in a world of fast fashion and trends, how do you stay true to your aesthetic vibe and like keep adapting to something that's new or something that's trending right now other than Pinterest? Pinterest is one thing,
Yeah.
but you have to keep adapting to new things.
You're talking about trends on Instagram or product-wise?
Lifestyle trends.
Lifestyle trends.
Not
So
just Instagram trends. जैसे आज men's accessories has become a lifestyle trend, correct?
Yeah.
A lot of men are wearing accessories now. पहले लोग खाली earrings पहनते थे, वो भी जिनका pierced होता था. आज there are magnet earrings also, so easily available. Men are wearing a lot more rings, lot more bracelets, lot more chains, correct? That is a lifestyle trend that has evolved like in the last 5 years probably. So how do you keep evolving as per the lifestyle trends? How do you keep adapting?
So there's data, which I don't really like. I'm not somebody who goes into data because उसके लिए बहुत there's a lot of things. तो वो मैं नहीं देखती. But what I do is I go on different websites. क्या चल रहा है नया? तो मैं बहुत ऐसे research करती हूँ. Founders जो मेरे ही industry में हैं, मैं उनको देखती हूँ. What they are talking and what they are, getting on their page. किस तरह से कर रहे हैं? That's what I follow then.
You keep learning from your
Yeah,
competitors only.
Yeah.
Very interesting. And you were saying, and then?
Yeah, and then what they get on their page, I get to know ki, now for example, let's take Zara. For example, Zara is getting this. So matlab, obviously it's going to get viral in the next month. Then there are luxury brands also. Luxury brands is Zara copy karta hai, right? So then you get to know ki kya hai, kaise hai, what is going around. And then
you
of course,
understand the
yeah,
trend.
you understand. Like you just scroll. Dude, internet has so much. There's ChatGPT. There's so many things. So I just like keep diving deep and then you get it कि क्या अभी आने वाला है. And Pinterest, you get blogs over there. So
and as you said, जो West में होता है within the next 5 years.
Exactly. So if you, so it's very simple. If you're looking at the West influencers or celebrities, you know क्या आने वाला है.
Right.
You get the idea. And if you're doing it for years, you definitely get an idea कि क्या आने वाला है. Like at least rough idea, and then you can just tailor it around to your brand.
Correct. Okay. Now this is a very rough, random question, but all this is जो आपने trends already देखे हुए, ठीक है, वो आप follow कर रहे हो. अगर आपको खुद का एक trend set करना हो, how would your approach be towards it?
Trend start करना is थोड़ा difficult.
100%, very difficult.
It is difficult. But what you can do, like, so now I'm thinking about product perspective. So for example, you can create a design and then फिर वो influencers को gift करके barter basis UGC. So like make it as far as possible, and then when they wear, वो ट्रेंड बन
जाएगा करेक्ट एंड पीपल शुड ऑब्वियसली लाइक द
Yeah,
प्रोडक्ट
obviously.
आल्सो
If they like it, then only वो trend बनेगा.
Correct, correct.
So then that's how it can.
Right. So, Tisha, that was a great talk. Now we'll come down to our last 3 questions, okay? What's been the proudest moment as a founder for you?
Proudest would be there's still a lot to come, honestly, but abhi whenever I think I won't say proud, but whenever I think about what was the best thing that ever happened in these 4 years was when I started my business, obviously. But other than that, when I was getting those 100 orders in a week, वो मुझे confidence मिला. I got that confidence that of course I can do this.
Correct. I
I
can
was
take it much bigger than this also.
Yeah, if
Right.
this is happening only through one reel, imagine if I start performance, I start creators like influencers and a lot of other, there's so much to market your product, like this literally so much. अगर एक reel से हो सकता है तो there's so much. So I got that confidence.
Correct.
And I got that, oh my god.
Right.
You know that. So yeah.
Crazy, crazy. I'm sure that is
And
a
I
proud
also
moment.
learned who's fake and who's not fake in this entire 4 years.
Who's fake as in?
No, like
People around
yeah,
you.
people around you. Like
Who actually want to see you grow or who are just crabs pulling you back.
Yeah. I'm really lucky that my friends and family are really nice. But then you just see na कि कौन कैसा है, and then you get to know a lot.
What's that one big challenge you never expected would come while running a fashion brand or a jewelry brand?
Okay, when I started, I had no idea कि बार products नए बनाने पड़ते हैं. You have to keep up with the trends and then
Right.
the logistic. Oh my god, it's insane. All of this data और ये पीछे का back-end accounts and all of this. Oh my god, this was so difficult. I did not know. मैंने तो ऐसे ही start कर दिया था. फिर all of these things happened and then gradually I learned. So that was थोड़ा challenging for me.
Of course.
Yeah.
See, it is very difficult. It looks very good and nice.
Bro, it looks so fancy.
Yeah,
you have your own business.
Yeah, you are a
but,
founder,
yeah.
but bro, what goes
Yeah.
behind, it's a headache, 100%. Okay, before we wrap, the final question that we ask all the guests, all the entrepreneurs, that if you have to give one advice to the young age entrepreneurs out there who are starting or have just started something, what would that one advice be?
If you're just starting up,
or you've just started, like probably it's been a month since you've started, 2 months since you've started, or you're planning to start something, you have to give them one piece of advice.
See, since I started with Instagram, I'd go that way.
Okay.
So what I will tell people, like my advice is that please build your organic content first. Keep pushing content. Don't like get disheartened that मुझे नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ भी नहीं मिल रहा है इससे. It's okay. You're just building your portfolio. You're just building for people to come and see. And ads pay heavily in the beginning. Don't spend, because if you're spending so much on ads, you have 3 posts, 4 posts, 1 product. What are people coming for? आपका पूरा burn हो रहा है, right? तो पहले build something, build your page. At least have 1,000 followers organically.
Right.
फिर आप ads चलाओ. तो it will be really,
beneficial.
वो फिर turn out होगा. They'll be your customer.
Correct. And one more thing that I noticed was every brand जिसका ads बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, उनका आप content देखो. उनका in-house content, उनका organic content is so good, तब जाके उनको ads पे वो reach मिल रहा है या वो ROAS मिल रहा है, वो इतना कम CAC मिल रहा है, जो भी बोलो आप. वो सब तब हो रहा है when their actual content, in-house content, organic content is amazing on point. अगर आप वो नहीं कर रहे हो, अगर आप सिर्फ ads पे ध्यान दोगे, नहीं होने वाला. नहीं होगा. आप इतना पैसा बर्न कर दोगे कि आपका ब्रांड बंद करना
पड़ेगा. And it's not like कि आप अगर एक दिन में 1 लाख और बहुत क्रेजी अमाउंट डाल रहे हो तो आपका ROAS अच्छा है.
नहीं होने वाला. वो तो उल्टा, मैंने तो कितनी बार नोटिस किया कि वो खराब हो जाता है.
माय परफॉर्मेंस पार्टनर वाज आल्सो टेलिंग कि अभी अगर आपने इतना किया और अगर आप नेक्स्ट डे डबल ट्रिपल कर दोगे, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपका ROAS आएगा.
हमारा खराब हुआ है. हमारा लिटरली हमने देखा हुआ है कि आज इफ वी आर स्पेंडिंग 10,000 rupees फॉर सर्टेन ऑर्डर्स, tomorrow we took it to 15,000 to increase, but barely increase हुआ. I'm like, why would I increase 5,000 अगर मेरे को 5-10 ऑर्डर increase? Like, you understand? वो होता है, वो बहुत easily होता है. उसके लिए आपको एक proper planning, एक proper funnel का strategy का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And more than all of that, your organic content should be amazing. If that is on point, आपको ads में कोई problem नहीं आएगा. आप ads जैसे चलाना है आप चलाओ. आपको जो करना आप एड्स में करो, आपको एड्स में रिजल्ट आएगा ही आएगा, बट आपका ऑर्गेनिक कंटेंट उसके लिए अमेजिंग होना चाहिए.
एंड द रील्स दैट आर गेटिंग वायरल ना, उसी को पुश करो फॉर एड्स के लिए.
राइट.
तो I mean,
Of course,
default
of
वो
course,
आने वाला
of
है
course.
अगर
वो viral हुआ because
organic,
people were
yeah,
watching
exactly,
it.
yeah.
Correct. Right. That is a great point. Great, Tisha. That was like a lovely talk. And I'm so inspired by someone who started their brand at the age of 19. I love talking to such people, you know, who want to keep doing such things. And I'm sure our audience would also learn so much from this conversation. Thank you so much for like giving out so much time from your schedule. And that was a great conversation.
Thank you for calling me. This was great. I really hope that I come next time with like even bigger insight and even bigger
100%.
brand.
We would love to
I
have
would
you
love
again.
that to come here again.
Definitely. And
be a better version. Like,
of course, and we will
better
discuss what we discussed back then and what the journey
Yeah,
has
yeah,
been
yeah,
since
yeah,
then.
definitely.
We are really looking forward to
And I
that.
really like the setup, the vibe, everything. And I really wish luck to you, to your podcast
Thank
as
you
well.
so much.
And your
It
brand as
means a
well. I'm
lot.
really excited for the rebranding, by the way.
I'll definitely send you some products after this Friday.
So will I. I mean, we don't have a lot of
Menswear, but you can send it to for some of my
for your
family
friends.
members.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Lovely talking. Great, Tisha. Thank you so much.